how to schedule your KFC pickup or delivery for later. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a very clear step-by-step guide that we should be able to follow up to schedule our KFC order for later, whether it's for pickup or delivery. So let's just get started. So we can start by going to the KFC website, or we can open the KFC application as well and make sure you're on the correct country version. And log in into your account. If you're not logged in, sign in and access your account. After that, we can start up our order. We can browse through the menus available, go ahead and open it up and add those specific products to your cart. And once you've added it up, you can start up your order and click on the cart option in the top right corner to view your cart and click on checkout. After that, we can select an option, pickup. We have this pickup option and we have this pickup information section. So what we need to do is we need to scroll down, and once we scroll down, we can look out for schedule option or pickup information, and we can schedule it out. We can select the option for schedule for later instead of ASAP, or you can change your pickup date and time. You can select up your date here and go ahead and change it to the upcoming days, or the time slot here is also available. Some stores have 15 to 30-minute increments that you can follow up and go ahead and change it to something else, and that way you should be able to do it. You can just go over and increase those and confirm it up, and you can review your order once it is done and go ahead and add items to your cart and select the payment option and click on place order and confirm it up. Once it is done, you will be receiving an email confirmation, SMS confirmation if enabled, and schedule time details as well. And that's it. And make sure that your address and contact info are correct, then you should be able to place the order very easily. So we hope this video was helpful to you. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.